Hello friends, welcome to my channel. So today I will show you living room interior design ideas. So keep watching this video until the end, and if you're new to my channel then please don't forget to subscribe it and hit the bell icon for the latest video update. I wish you all the best and have a wonderful day.
A beautifully designed and spaciously arranged living room will infuse happiness and comfort in you. By boosting our mood, it will induce positivity in us. You can design your living room or consider support from professional interior designers. Few rooms in the home get as much as daily use as the living room, which is often used as a space to entertainment guests, watch a movie with the whole family, or relax while reading a book. Because this room is so central to the daily functions of families and their routines. It required a design that is functional, beautiful, and inviting to all. In recent years, bright colors have taken hold in fashion and living room idea alike. Bright colors offer a refreshing change of pace from the neutrals and earth tones of your past, and they give homeowners a creative way to express their personality with each piece of furniture. The key to this unconventional embrace of modern contrast is to make sure that the pops of color are rare, giving them the ability to stand out immediately upon entering the room. One of the best way to achieve an ideal contrast is to set the brightly colored furniture pieces against neutral color or darker walls and floors. In living rooms with high ceilings and stunning view, the key to living room decor is all about minimizing obstructions to that view and heights. As a result, one of the best design for this type of sitting is a minimalist aesthetics that focuses on framing the windows and the heights and using clean lines in furniture throughout the room. To enhance the perception of the space of the fresh air, light color should be used on the walls and the floors. Darker colors, natural wood tones, and earthy finishes maximize the effect and bring just the color amount of the dramatic contrast to the living room designs. One of the best way to stamp up a unique personality into living room is to choose a favorite color and use it throughout rugs, couches and other decor in the room. Choose the best color design. The importance of the hues throughout the carpets, wall color, pattern and furniture items. With the right variety of shade and healthy amount of natural light, homeowners can opt for this type of monochromatic design without having the room feel like just being decorated with just one color. The key to this design is to optimize light, various shades and innovative hues across every part of the decor. Living room design ideas to be an expression of their owner's personality and design sensibilities, and that's certainly the case with this regal design choice. This living room layout relies on the unconventional use of deep blue colors on the walls, highlighted and accented by bold ornaments decoration throughout the room that commands attention. By pairing the darker wall color with lighter carpets, couches, and accessories, the room is made to feel bold, inviting, and like an extension of who the owner is and when they are at their best. A great living room idea for growing families. The open concept work best in home that has a high voltage ceilings and lot of windows to let the natural light come into the space. The concept emphasizes one large space that can entertain and provide relaxation, serve as a space to play, and hold plenty of guests for weekend social events. When it comes to classic, understand elegance, few color schemes to do the trick like contrasting black, white, and gray. The black and white basic design relies not only on darker contrast wall but also on the presence of classic black and white patterns on decorative pillows, area rugs, and more. With black and chrome accessories in the room, this design is the versatile enough to the perfect fit for both a bachelor pad and smaller family living. One of the big theme in modern living room layout trends is to optimize the use of large windows or the doors so that the outdoors can be seamlessly invited inside. That's the goal of this design, which relies on large windows to offset its darker wall colors. The stately design choice maximizes the appeal of traditional cozy living room elements. A central fireplace, large couches, and a lighting feature that can start a conversation all on its own. In addition, modern design touches like a modern mirror and pendant within the light fixture bring the concept into the current decade. While some modern living room designers try to downplay white and off-white colors, with this embraces them and uses them in almost every aspect of the room. The design is focused primarily on creating an open and airy space, but white and off-white accent have a few other effects. First and foremost, they keep the room cool during the warmer part of the year. They also blend perfectly with the design of a beach home or summer cabin, giving it a unique way to stand out from homes that typically use richer color. This white and off-white designs approach is also perfect for urban homes that have smaller square footage and therefore need to leverage color to create the perfections of a larger living areas. Choose the best color for living room. The living room is the space for relaxation, entertainment, and chit-chatting, fun time with friends, and so on. The shade you choose for the living room must generate enthusiasm and energy. The shades used to design the living room should not be so dark, too bright, or heavy. Choose shades that smooth your eyes and make your living room cozy and elegant. The selected color should match with overall arrangement of the room. Choose the best sofa set design for living room. Expert designer consider choosing the best sofa set as one of the top way is designing a complete living room. Sofa set of high quality. It will add to the looks and comfort. A sofa set is first thing noticed by guests. A nicely looking sofa will change the appearance of the whole room. The selection of fabric or leather sofa will depend on the overall look of your room. The color of the sofa set must go well with the color and design pattern of your living room. Lighting up your room is one of the top ideas for a perfect living room. It is better to adopt the top lighting idea in the living room Purchase a good light, optimize quality and looks. The money spent on lighting is not a wastage. Lighting is a lifelong requirement. It must be durable as well as attractive. The design of living room is the reflection of your personality, ideas and perceptions. The people can judge your taste and choice easily by looking at the arrangement, decoration and shade used. Being the most used room in a home, interior decoration of the living room must be done after careful planning only. I hope this video will help you to choose the best living room design ideas for your home. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel to see future videos. And thanks for watching this video. Have a wonderful day.